Hey guys, and welcome back to Plugins. In previous video, we already have covered how you can send pending payment notification to your customer by using our Reminder Pro plugin. And now in this video, we will show you how to send delivery notifications to your customer in WooCommerce by using our plugin. Now let's get started. Now go to your WooCommerce admin panel. Now hover your mouse to Plugins and click on WooCommerce Reminder. We've already installed Reminder Pro plugin in previous video. You can watch that to get started. Now just click on it. Now as you can see, we've already covered these three in our previous videos. And in this video, we'll cover this one, which is used to send notification to your customer about the delivery. And to make customization, just click on Update Content. Now first and most important thing, tick this box, or your email won't be going anywhere. And also tick this box as well if you want to send SMS notification. And now if we scroll down, we can see gap days between reminder email. Now what does this mean? Suppose you have received an order today, and it will be delivered in 5 days from now. So this option decides when you want to send an email to your customer. For example, if you want to send an email to your customer about the delivery, on the same exact day the order will be delivered to them, then keep it as 0 gap day. And if you want to send a delivery email a day before the actual delivery date, then set it as 1. And if you want to send it 2 days before the actual delivery, then set it as 2, and so on. And now if you scroll down, you can see the email that will be sent to your customer. You can customize it as per your liking. And also you can use placeholders for a more automated and hassle-free process. Now let's see how you can set delivery dates for your order. For this, go to Orders. Suppose this is the order. Just click on it. Now, if you look at the right, you can see when will be the pending payment reminder emails sent, which we've set in our previous video. Now, if you look at the order detail, there is an option for set delivery date. You can set it as per your delivery partner's service. But most of the time, you don't have to set this because it is automated. Now, suppose you have set the delivery date to 30, and you want to send the delivery email the same day, then set the gap days as 0. And if you want to send an email on 29, which is a day before the actual delivery, then set the gap day as 1, and so on. Now this is all the basics you need to know to get started, and thanks for watching.